Gold is still shining. Hey friends, welcome to Quick Personal Finance Bite. I am CA Kunjal Shah. Let's talk about something everyone's been buzzing about lately. That's gold. Yeah, gold is shining bright these days, and many investors are thinking about shifting from equity to gold. But is that a wise move? Yes, gold has performed phenomenally well recently, but let's first understand why. Gold has acted more like a speculative asset, rising sharply due to global crises like wars, trade tensions, and many other events over the past couple of years. In uncertain times, people rush to safe havens like gold and US dollar, which are often used as forex reserves. But remember, these spikes are often short lived. What goes up quickly in times of panic can stagnate or even fall when things settle down. So, while gold might give great returns for a short period, over the long term, its average returns usually level out. If you look at gold's history, after a big jump, there are often long flat periods. That means if someone invests at the peak, they might end up with very average returns over time. That is why many investors' actual returns are often lower than gold's headline returns. Gold is important, no doubt. It helps diversify your portfolio and also acts as a hedge. But should it be the core of your investment strategy? Ask yourself, is gold driven by strong fundamentals or by events and crises? If you believe in India's growth story, in our economy, innovation, and companies, then equity mutual funds backed by strong fundamentals are where long term wealth is truly built. So, the real question is, do you want to chase recent returns or build wealth through strong fundamentals? The best approach is to focus on your goals, and for most long term goals, equity continues to be the smartest path. Stay tuned for more such insights, and do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel, Quick Personal Finance Bites. Thank you.